Good morning, my YouTubeaholics. I know it's been a while. Just trying to get my gloves on, as you can see. Get ready to go to work. Since this is my year of being 50, I figured I owed myself a nice birthday gift. So this is my happy birthday to me. Alright, I'm here at work now. I'm going to go ahead and shut everything down. And I'll see you after work. And like I said, I'll take some pictures of me with the center stand. Let's turn this guy off. Say goodbye. As you can see, my motorcycle on the lift, and then this is what you get in the box for the center stand. And you see the loop where the center stand is going to go, just like this. And you also have to put 2 springs on, and after that you're done. What's going on, my YouTubeaholics? Getting ready to go home here. Listen to some music. How y'all doing this fine afternoon? Got my side stand on, as you can see. Oh my God, it's hot. It's saying it's 101 right now. Yeehaw. And we're off. Get some airflow. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hey, thanks for watching. Just do that YouTube thing and hit that like button for me. And also, if you got any questions or anything, hit me up on ghostrideradv@gmail.com, and I'll answer some of your questions if you got any. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you real soon.